Hello friends, I am Dr. Ashish Agrawat. Welcome to my channel Live Biochemistry. In this video, I am going to teach you how to conduct online quiz using a Google form with a timer. So I will show you how to use this one add-on, that is a timer, to conduct the online quiz in the Google form. So what are these add-on? These are the additional extension or applications or software that will help to make better use of the Google form. Okay, so I will show you how to use this timer button. Okay, so just type on the in the Google, search for the Google form. Okay, I have already made a video how to use Google form to make a quiz. Okay, so you have to go to the Google form, right, and go to the quiz that you have already made. So I have already made this quiz. Okay, so select on this quiz. Okay, and here there are three vertical dot. Okay, select on the add-on. Okay, so it will show you the list of add-ons. Okay, I am selecting the timify.me. Okay, I will make separate videos on different add-ons later on, right? So just go to this and select the install, continue, and give it permission. Okay, so select on this my email ID and allow all the, it is verified by the Google form, so no need to worry. Okay, you can trust it. Okay, so then select on the next and done, because I am showing you step by step how to install this Timify. Okay, once it is done, now you can see that on the add-on, Timify add-on is added. Okay, so select on this configure, right? So on the left side this window will open. Okay, now select on the account. Here I will select this Timify me. Okay, so this window will show, okay, Timify me, and I have to select the my email ID. So it is CRISPR C2C2 @gmail.com, right, and go to the get started. Okay, once you select that, you will get a code, okay, for verification, right? So I am refreshing, so I will get a code. So you can see here I have received a account verification code now. So just select on this, it is 5756. Okay, so type this 5756. Okay, so it will ask for the terms and condition and accept. Okay, and you have to, first time you have to fill the detail. Okay, what is the purpose? Suppose I am select personal, for the educational purpose, and you can select any, you can set a password, save your account. Okay, so this is how you can set up the Timify account. Now you can see there is a link, okay, token link. So you have to select this, copy this link, okay, and paste it on your connect account, right? I have pasted it. Now I have to select connect. Okay, if you have already used this, then you have to just go to the Timify dashboard, right? But if you are using the first time, if you are installing first time, like in this video, then you have to go to this process, right? Then you have to go to this dashboard. You can see the demo test also. So I'm selecting MCQ quiz chemistry, go to the create quiz, select the email addresses, Dr. Ashish Agrawat @gmail.com, right? Select the timing, suppose I am taking 2 minutes, then auto close. When time is over, allow to view the quiz score, right? And other features like enable camera tracking or hide timer is available in the premium plan. Now I am just selecting on the create. So you can see here this link is available. You have to just copy Okay, and you can send it to the your email address. Okay, so and even you can view also here. Okay, so I am now sharing this link to my address. Okay, link and go to the send. Now you can see in my screen here. Okay, and I am selecting my email address. So you can see here I have received the mail. I am selecting this link. Okay, clicking this link, so that form will appear. Okay, you can see MCQ quiz, 2 minutes. So select on this, open the form. Okay, so I will see the my form. Okay, so I have to fill the detail, like write name, my roll number. Okay, then question, imidazole ring is present. You can see the counter at present. Now 15 minutes 15 seconds have passed, 1.40 seconds is available. So I am selecting the answers. Okay, positive charge lysine, alpha helix proline, purely ketogenic amino acid is leucine. Okay, 21st amino acid is selenocysteine, and here there is a submission ID. Skip this field. Okay, do not edit this field or your time will not be recorded. Okay, so you don't have to edit, you have to just select on the answers. Okay, so at present I am not submitting. Okay, you can just submit and you can get the score, but because I want to show you, if you don't submit it within your time limits, what will happen, that's why I am not submitting it now. So you can see here it is shown as submit now, the color is changed. Okay, so I have to select it in the particular time limits. Okay, so this is a very wonderful features. You can conduct your online assessment. What happens in Google Form, there is a chance that person can see in the books or like that. Okay, but if you select for the particular time duration, you can, if you set the timer, then there is a less chance that student can copy. Okay, so you can set the timer and use this feature. This is a wonderful features of the Google Form. So this is the add-on. So I have shown you how to install it step by step. Okay, so just 8 seconds has remaining. So now I will show you what will happen. Okay, so 3 2 1 0. Okay, so you can see here now, sorry, time is over, your answer were not recorded. Okay, so you have to, within the time limit, you have to complete the quiz. Okay, so this is how you can use this Google Form with the timer add-on. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share my video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification for my future video also. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video is useful to you. Bye.